We've got another snowstorm coming our way. Winter storm watches and warnings in place. 45 degrees as we go through the day tomorrow. Calm day, but by the evening, cold air rushes in. And there'll be some snow flying around in the mountains. 5, 6, 7 o'clock may give the ground a quick coating of an inch. And that's when this snowstorm begins to take shape, spreading into the upstate as we go into the overnight hours. If you're up early on Saturday, some of you may be dry, but snow certainly flying around in the northern part of the upstate. But as the morning goes on, by 10, all of us are starting to see some snow. And it is widespread. Now it's rocking and rolling across the area, pouring snow outside, wide open as we go throughout the day. By 6, 7, 8 o'clock, the bulk of the storm is over Columbia. We still got some lingering snow showers and snow flurries, but the bulk of the storm is throttling back down. Then a cold northwest wind comes in. We're down to 9 degrees after the snow stops falling. Ouch. Let me show you what that looks like closer in on our high resolution model. As we go deeper into tonight and through the day tomorrow, we've got changes coming in at about 5, 6 o'clock. Notice the snow breaking out in the mountains, spreading into the upstate late. I think it's going to be after midnight, but by the time we get to 6 a.m., there's snow falling in the northern half of the upstate. Some of you may wake up on Saturday with it not starting yet. Hold your horses. It's coming. Wait till about 10 o'clock. It's pouring snow across the area, and this is starting to accumulate at some pretty high rates because the ground is super frozen. Our air temperature very cold as well. That snow will begin to taper off by 5, 6 o'clock. By 7, most of us are starting to dry out with the snow, and we've got drier, colder winds coming in. Remember, we're dipping down to some really cold readings. Brand new totals out. We've got 5 to 7 inches across Greenville, 7 to 12 inches more back through Charlotte, through Raleigh. You've got 3 to 5 inches across the Carolina-Georgia border right here. So that means Pickens and Anderson West, you may get 3 to 5. For Greenville, you could be 5. You could be as much as 7 inches. I think the farther east you go, the better chance you have at being some higher numbers here. But generally speaking, this is a pretty decent snow across the entire area from the mountains to the upstate. We got quite a bit coming our way. As far as what happens with this, with the impact, that's what it's all about, right? Dangerous travel is going to be the main thing. This is a light, fluffy snow, so I don't expect much tree damage. Can't rule out power outages, but this is not a high power outage risk event. Dangerous temperatures. It is going to get mighty, mighty cold with this. So as the kids are playing around, here's what it'll feel like. 8:30 when the snow is coming down. Remember, winds around 30 miles per hour with this. We're going to see the wind chill drop by 4:30 in the afternoon. Take breaks, go inside, get warm, go back out. 5 in Greenville, minus 11 in Asheville. Too brutal to be outside late in the evening on Saturday through early Sunday in the mountains. Minus 22 in Hendersonville, 3 in Greenville. This is the coldest we've been since 2022. So the 4-day looks like this. Snow flurries late 43, heavy snow with a live super Doppler for alert day on Saturday. Our high 26. Remember, we're down to 9 Sunday morning. Road impacts as we go into Sunday, Monday. Look at that, 11 degrees. Kids are going to have a hard time going back to school this week. It'll melt with 40, but then refreeze. In fact, the roads could be worse on Tuesday and Wednesday mornings because of that thawing and then refreezing back over. Instead of being snow, it's likely to kind of make a slushy mess, become a hard ice across the area. Finally climbing out of that hole by Thursday.